Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to set up Windows 11 without Microsoft account on this PC. So, first of all, do not connect to the internet, and if you are already connected to the internet, then either turn off the router or reach the area where the Wi-Fi signal is unreachable in order to proceed this process. Now, once you are disconnected from any network, what you have to do is press the combination of Shift and F10 buttons at the same time. And then in the window that appeared on your screen, you have to input the following command, which is /bypass and row. Now press enter, then wait until your PC is restarted. Once your device is restarted, you can proceed normally, first by selecting the language, the setup language, and clicking continue in your language. Then select the right country or region and click yes to confirm. After that, select the right keyboard or keyboard layout or input method and click yes once again. And if you want to add a second keyboard layout, just click add layout right here and proceed. Then press skip when you're done. Then, instead of connecting to a network, select I don't have internet option next to the next icon. Then select continue with limited setup. Review and accept the license agreement by clicking accept. Then give a username to yourself and press enter. Then you can create a password if you want to and enter it into this field and click next. Otherwise, just click next right away and your account will have no password. Then you're gonna have to choose some privacy settings for your device. Now I usually go with location and find my device switched to yes, but generally speaking, location lets you get experiences like directions, weather, news, etc. Find my device feature lets you find your device in case you lose it or it gets stolen. Diagnostic data collects your data and sends it to Microsoft for research, for diagnostics. Ink and typing sends your typing experiences to Microsoft for diagnostics. Tailored experiences basically just personalizes ads for you. So turn off the options that you don't need by switching the toggles. Then click accept. Then just wait a while. So in a few moments your PC will be fully set up, and at this point I'm gonna end this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.